Honey Buns. Give it up. Honey Bush, sorry, Honey Bush.
Miss Honey Bush. Miss Honey Bush.
Tell me just how grand you are about me, Mr. Shane. Later I said it again. Just kiss me and then you will understand.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to draw your attention. Ben, if you want to move that spotlight down here, kind of right about there. There's a little young lady down here named Tina. It's her birthday today. Whoa! I told her I wouldn't do anything too embarrassing. Well, I lied. My bad. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would join me in a chorus of happy birthday for Tina, follow the bouncing wand on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tina. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, everybody.
Do I get to give birthday spankings? I usually give out the birthday spankings.
Yeah, birthday spankings.
I do like giving birthday spankings.
Yeah.
Get up there.
There you go.
Try this.
Where is it? Ooh,
Here she
yeah,
goes.
that's for me.
Do a little quick birthday spanking here, if you don't mind. Yeah, it's Uncle Bling's Krabby Belt. I bought it for like $2 at a thrift store. Go figure. Oh, she's only 24. Be gentle on her. Count it off with me. Are you ready? You ready, Cherry? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Jack Bauer, 24. There it is. Thank you, Tina. Happy birthday. Thank you, Cherry Bomb. We'll take my belt back now if you don't mind.
You're gonna be.
Might not need this later. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could kindly direct your attention one more time, follow the cane over yonder. There she is. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up one more time for Miss Goody Goody.
Yeah, spin my chair.
Just a perfect day. Drink sangria in the park. And then later, when it gets dark, we go home. Just a perfect day. Feed animals in the zoo. Then later, a movie too, and then home. Oh, it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. Just a perfect day. Problems all left alone. Weekenders on our own. It's such fun. Just a perfect day. You made me forget myself. I thought I was someone else, someone good. Oh, it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. You're going to reap just what you sow. You're going to reap just what what you sow. You're going to reap just what you sow. You're going to reap just what you sow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Goody Goody. Da, da, da. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the next act? I'll do da, da, da again if I don't hear more enthusiasm than that. That's more like it. Ladies and gentlemen, you are in TROUBBLE. It is Miss Lady Lustica.
If you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. If you're looking for trouble, just look right in my face. I was born standing up and talking back. My daddy was a green-eyed mountain jack because I'm evil. My middle name is Ray. Well, I'm evil. So don't you mess around with me. I never looked for trouble, but I never ran. I don't take no orders, no kind of man. I'm only made out flesh, blood, and bone. But if you're gonna start a rumble, don't you try it hard. Well, I'm evil. So don't you mess around with me. I'm evil, evil, evil. I'm evil, 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 and you weak. So don't mess around, don't mess around, don't mess around with me. I'm evil. I'm evil. Treat me mean and cruel, but love me. Bring my faithful heart, carried all apart, but love me. Won't you love me? Wherever you ever go, darling, I'll be oh so lonely. I'll be sad and blue, crying over you, dear honey. I'll beg and steal, just to feel just to feel, yes, just to feel your heart. I want your heart beating close to mine, so close to mine. Wherever you ever go, darling, I'll be oh so lonely, begging on my knees. All I ask is please, please love me. Oh yeah.
Well, how'd you like that, ladies and gentlemen? Luscious Lady Lustrica and Foxy Rock. A 2-for-1 special, ladies and gentlemen. You don't get too many of those anymore, do you? Folks, I have bad news. We're getting close to the end of the show. However, Joey the Saint will be up later, and from what it sounds like, Blacktop Demon's going to do a few songs later in the night. You guys ever heard of those guys? Blacktop Demon, they rock.
Yeah!
Joe Ty will bring the rock. Where's Joe Ty? I'm going to take him on some Mortal Kombat later. Yeah, I'll take him on some Karate Champ, just like Ogre and Jean-Claude Van Damme in Bloodsport. Taking you down to Chinatown. Ladies and gentlemen, our next act. Where is she? Oh my God. See, I get to see the acts before you do, folks, and this is just goddamn good.
Cleo's turned the camera over to you.
I would like you to please put your hands together one more time for Tina Vigini.
Don't be shy, everybody, sing along with me. Make you feel like you
the show. We are the Burning Hearts Burlesque, and we'd like to